actually need a bookkeeper, or are you totally fine doing your own bookkeeping and just overthinking it? Because I get some version of this question in my DMs all the time. Do I need a bookkeeper? I think I'm doing it right, maybe. Is this something I'm supposed to hire out, or can I just keep doing what I'm doing? And the truth is, it's not a yes or no answer, because some of you genuinely don't need a bookkeeper, but some of you are making small mistakes right now that are quietly costing you money or setting you up for problems later. So in this video, I'm going to break down when you actually need bookkeeping help, when you don't, and how to know if what you're doing right now is actually correct. I've been working with creative business owners for the past 6 years. I've reviewed and cleaned up a lot of DIY bookkeeping, and I've had hundreds of conversations with creatives who are in this exact spot, doing their own books, but not fully confident that they're doing it right. So this isn't coming from theory. This is coming from patterns I've seen over and over again. So let's start here. Yes, you can absolutely do your own bookkeeping. If you have a fairly simple business model, a few clients a month, a manageable number of transactions, a handful of tools and subscriptions, you can do this yourself. And honestly, a lot of creatives should start this way because understanding your numbers is very important. But here's something that I need to admit. I have never reviewed a set of DIY books that had 0 mistakes, not once. And they're not always big, obvious, glaring mistakes. They're small things like double counting income, missing expenses, not reconciling accounts properly, or categorizing things slightly wrong. And on the surface, everything looks fine, but behind the scenes, it's not fully accurate. And that matters more than people think, because number one, you could be overpaying taxes. If you're missing expenses, you are literally paying more to the IRS than you need to in this economy. Number two, compliance. Especially if you're an S-Corp, there are rules you need to follow. And if you don't know what you don't know, you can accidentally put yourself and your business at risk. And number three, this is the big one, if your numbers aren't accurate, your decisions aren't accurate. So when you're trying to figure out, can I hire, can I invest, can I pay myself more? You're guessing. So here's my honest answer. You don't necessarily need a bookkeeper, but you do need to know that your books are right. There's a difference between doing your bookkeeping and doing it correctly. And most creatives don't need to fully outsource this. They just need clarity, systems, and someone to make sure they're not missing anything. That's exactly why I created my membership. It is for creatives who want to do their own bookkeeping, but they want guidance, support, and a second set of eyes. I'll link it below if you want to check it out. But honestly, the biggest issue I see isn't complexity, it's consistency. Bookkeeping gets pushed to the bottom of the to-do list until it's March, and now you are swimming in an entire year's worth of bookkeeping all at once. And at that point, you are not using your numbers to make decisions. You're just trying to survive tax season. And when you stay in that cycle, you are always behind, always unsure, and never fully confident in your business finances. That's exhausting because you didn't start your business to feel confused about your money. So if the goal isn't to outsource everything and it's not just to wing it on your own, what is the smartest way to actually do your bookkeeping? In the next video, I'm going to show you the best way to set up your bookkeeping system, including the exact software I recommend and why it makes this so much easier for creatives. Go watch that one next if it's available. If you're watching this live, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can know when it goes live next week.